Ate Maita. Nakapalo pa ba ng rules and regulations sa ating laboratory? What do you need to know? What do you need to do? What shall your employers do? Unang-una, read the label. Read the label. Let you know what you're dealing with and the risk arising from it. Pangalawa, know how to protect yourself when you're using the chemicals. Know whether or not you should visit your medical checkups pag na-expose ka sa mga ganitong chemicals. What do you need to do? Use only work practices that will ensure your safety and others' safety as well. Follow instructions and guidelines regarding the use of substances. Draw the attention of your employer to any hazard or health issue. Health issue. Use personal and protective gears. Participate in monitoring programs para hindi tayo aanga-anga. And not willfully misuse anything provided by your employers. What does the law require your employer? Unang-una, provide you with information about the chemicals that you're using. Pangalawa, ensure that you're adequately trained or supervised para gumamit lahat ng chemicals. Provide ready access to your MSDS, also known as your safety data sheet. Tapos, ensure procedures kapag may mga emergencies. Tapos, ensure din na lahat ng containers nyo ay may appropriate hazardous label. Ensure that a suitable and sufficient assessment is made. Pag may involving potential exposure sa hazardous chemicals. Take all practicable steps para ma-prevent ang mga accidents na nangyayari sa ating mga workplace. Second to the last, monitor your exposure to chemicals. And that, with your consent, ay mamonitor ang inyong health. Kapag na-expose kayo sa chemical. Muli, ako po si Charlotte na nagsasabi naniniwala, safety is your weapon.